Friends, after doing this exercise, you will definitely understand the concept of pointers. And this exercise is for incrementing array index in using pointers. I am taking a integer array, filling it with certain values. Say let it be 10, 15, 20, 25. So this is a 4-member array. And I am declaring a pointer variable which will point to a member in this array. And since array this only means actually address of the first member, so in a first member this we can simply do like this, where this is a pointer address, this is a variable value at that pointer. So I am just passing this a to this pointer variable, and array indexes are automatically actually pointing to addresses. So we'll write a for loop the way we write for arrays. This is a standard for loop, and here I am using this fixed value just for quick understanding, because this has 4 members, and I am now creating a program which will use this pointer. Now this pointer will come using this, the first member will come this, and subsequent members will keep coming, because now next step we'll be doing is P is an address, pointer arithmetic allows me to increase that address. So P++ will actually increase address to next member in array. So if it is an integer, address will automatically move 4 bytes. If it is a character, it will automatically move 1 byte. If it is a bigger value, it will move bigger size. Whatever, like float will move 8 bytes. Double it will move 10 bytes. That's how it will act. So because it is actually pointer arithmetic, which allows me to increase the address within an array. So here this star p will bring me variable members. That means I am expecting 10, 15, 20, 25. And next time a new member position will come. I'll save it, build and run this. Let us see what happens. Yes, 10, 15, 20, 25 has come. Simply because I am moving this P++, and P means address. Just see, A indicates address of first member of array, because this is the array name. Array name actually indicates that, which is transferred to pointer variable P. So this statement is actually transferring the address A to variable member P, and by transferring actually we are having this power of, I can't do A++, but since I am transferred to a pointer variable, and which I declared here, which contains integer type values, which is okay because array is an integer type array, and star p next time when we do actually points to a new pointer. So array incrementing is one of the purpose where pointers can be used, and you have seen the power of pointers. This can be any size, any data type. Okay?
Please like, share and subscribe.